Kirchhoff's current law is one of the most powerful and fundamental rules in electrical circuits. When several wires meet at a single point, how do we know where the current goes? That's exactly what Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL, explains. KCL states that the total current entering a junction equals the total current leaving that junction. In simple terms, no charge is lost, no charge is gained, it's conserved. Think of it as nature's rule for electrical balance. Imagine a river flowing into a fork. If 6 liters of water flow in each second, and the two branches carry 2 and 4 liters out, the total still equals 6. Electric current behaves the same way. It simply divides or combines, but never disappears. Mathematically, this means the sum of all currents entering a node equals the sum of all currents leaving it. Or in words, the algebraic sum of all currents at a node equals 0. Let's take an example. Suppose current 1 equals 6 amperes flowing into a junction, current 2 equals 2 amperes leaving, and current 3 equals 4 amperes leaving. 6 minus 2 minus 4 equals 0. A perfect balance that confirms Kirchhoff's law in action. This happens because of the conservation of charge. Electrons can't pile up or vanish at one point. Every charge that enters a junction must eventually leave through another path. That's what keeps the current steady throughout a circuit. Now let's make it more relatable. Think of Minecraft redstone wiring. When a redstone torch sends power into a junction that splits into 2 lines, both paths share the signal. But the total output still matches the input strength. That's Kirchhoff's current law in action, even in a blocky world. In real life, KCL applies everywhere. In household wiring, circuit boards, and even massive power grids. Electricians rely on it to make sure the current drawn by lights, appliances, and outlets adds up exactly to what's supplied from the main line. This prevents overloads, keeps systems efficient, and ensures safety. So remember, Kirchhoff's current law isn't just theory, it's the foundation of how all electrical systems function. At any junction in a circuit, what goes in must come out. It's the golden rule that keeps both your redstone builds and real-world circuits perfectly balanced. And that's Kirchhoff's current law. Simple, logical, and absolutely essential for every engineer to understand.